So many things in my garden to plant, but the rain won't let me. New items that need new homes. Straight from the nursery, waiting to get in the ground. Many of these plants are only halfway planted, still in their containers, waiting to get in the ground. They have new homes in my garden. So, beautiful sun, what say you? Won't you come out today and let me plant in my garden? Because it's just another rainy day, and this gardener just wants to come out and play. All my plants are loving the rain. Lots of bulbs, tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths have come out to play. What say you, Mr. Sun? Won't you come out to play? This rainy day has gotten this gardener out this day, seated and ready to play. Oh, Mr. Rain, we shall appreciate your waters, because with these showers you shall bring spring flowers. But Mr. Rain, won't you go away? We want Mr. Sun to come out and play, because this gardener wants to play another day. I guess it won't be today. Since today won't be a gardening day, Mr. Rain is here and out to play. We shall wait for Mr. Sun so this gardener can come out and play another day.